Welcome to this tutorial for Boccia, and in this short video we will cover the basics of the plugin. Boccia is a plugin for footwear modeling in Rhino, and the first thing that we want to understand is how to get it. And the easiest way to get Boccia is, once you have started Rhino, you can check the package manager. So I'm just typing package manager in the command line, and then I search for Boccia, and here it is, and I can get it directly from the package manager. Click on install, and this will keep it up to date when we will publish new versions, and you will have it. Once I installed, I will have this toolbar here and a number of panels in the panel window. So there's the model outliner, soft edit, stitching, and UV editor for the moment, and we're planning to add more and more as we go along.